How to fix Cash App card decline. Welcome back to our channel. In order to fix a declined Cash App card, first you have to identify the specific reason for a decline by checking the activity tab on your home screen and selecting the transaction. Over here, what you want to do is ensure your Cash App balance or linked bank account has enough funds to cover the purchase, including tax or fees as well. You could also verify card activation. You want to confirm your physical card is activated. If not, you just want to open the Cash App and go to Cash Card tab. There you want to locate or tap the card image and select Activate Cash Card. And you could just go ahead and scan the QR code or select the Use CVV instead. Then you could go ahead and update card details. If you recently received a new card, update the expiry date and CVV in the app as well. And ensure you haven't exceeded the daily limit or spending limits, or that your card isn't currently locked or disabled the app settings. Now, if your payment was declined, for your protection, Cash App's automatic system flagged it as suspicious. You might want to verify your identity or maybe avoid repeated attempts as well. And this way you're supposed to fix Cash App card decline. So with that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.